Transmission warning light on, don't ignore it. This warning light indicates a problem with your vehicle's transmission system. It doesn't always mean the transmission has failed, but it does mean the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected a fault that needs attention. What should you do? If this warning light appears, avoid aggressive driving. Have the transmission system scanned with a professional diagnostic tool. Repair the problem early to prevent costly transmission damage. Remember, early diagnosis can save you thousands in transmission repair costs. Common causes: low or dirty transmission fluid, faulty transmission speed sensor, damaged wiring harness, or loose electrical connections, faulty transmission solenoid or valve body, transmission control module, TCM, malfunction. Follow GTR Autotech for more automotive tips and expert diagnostics.